Hi, I'm Van, founder of Finbotica. The calendar module in Finbotica helps you stay informed about key events for stocks you are interested in. Today, we will be demonstrating how you can integrate calendar events in Finbotica with your own calendar. This is particularly useful when you are accustomed to using your personal calendar for tracking all events. Finbotica has direct integration support for all major online calendars, including Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your Finbotica account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account at finbotica.com. Next, navigate to the calendar module. For those individual stocks in your watch list, it highlights upcoming earnings releases, ex-dividend dates, and dividend payment dates. To add an event to your personal calendar, highlight one of the displayed events and then click on the calendar button. Select the desired target calendar and click the Add button. You will then be redirected to the target calendar where you can save the event. In this video, you learned how to add calendar events in Finbotica to your own calendars. For more information on how you can automate your investing, visit finbotica.com. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe for Finbotica tutorials and tips on how to become a better investor.